how to change Roblox profile picture. So you could only do this on your phone for the meanwhile, since there's no update yet on desktop. But for phone, what you want to do is just open up your Roblox. So I have my Roblox right here. I'm just gonna open it up. Once you're there, you will see your profile icon on the middle part of your screen, on the bottom middle part of your screen. Just simply click on that and it will bring you right here. Then simply click on your icon on the top left corner to edit it. So as you can see, it says edit profile picture, and now you can select an emote or pose for your avatar. Let's say you want this one, and you could also buy any pose that you want. Once you're done, you could now click on next. Then you could zoom in or zoom out of it right here. You could also rotate it. Do you want to zoom in? Once you're done, you just simply need to click on next. And as you can see, it is now right there. You can also click on view full avatar to see it. Then click on save. Once you're done, it says that your profile picture has changed. That's how you basically change your profile picture on Roblox.